Phasalo South Indian Bank Ramnagar branch ni Chsitokmung by Khlaijakha blood donation camp Panda o Phaimanjakha Montri Sushanto Chaudhary AMC ni Mayor Dipok Majumdar no khoboi bank ni kubun azamarok.
One and all present here on this blood donation camp organized by South Indian Bank, Ramnagar branch. We have with us Honorable Mayor, Agartala Municipal Corporation, who is loved by all, Dipok Majumdar. We have other rank and file officials from South India Bank, Mr. Krishnan and Mr. Matthew Thomas. I think you hail from Kerala.
Yeah, both are from Kerala.
Okay. So branch manager of this South Indian Ramnagar branch, other colleagues, media friends, ladies and gentlemen. It's indeed a real privilege on my part to be here in this blood donation camp organized by the South Indian Bank, which has been contributing in the economy of the country since its inception. And now, as a part of their social responsibility, they have planned to organize this blood donation camp here in presence of you all. I, at the very outset, from the core of my heart, thank and congratulate them for taking out this benevolent effort and initiative for mankind. As the rightly pointed out by Swami Vivekananda, that service to man is service to God. If we speak in Bengali, it means Jibe Prem Kore Jaijon, Jaijon Shebe Ishwar. So we know none of us here have seen God, but we believe that God exists within ourselves. If we can render our service for mankind, for human being, that means we are rendering our service to the God. So keeping that in view, not only the South Indian Bank, all government organizations, all NGOs, all clubs, social organizations, they organize blood donation camp in order to render their service for mankind. So today I take this opportunity and thank you once again for taking this initiative in organizing this blood donation camp. I don't know how many people will donate blood here, but whatever the number would be, I think they are going to contribute or they are going to save life. Blood donation camp nowadays in our state has become a blessing for mankind, for human society. Here, if 20 number of units of blood are donated, that does not mean that we will give life to 20 number of people. It's not only by direct transfusion of blood we are saving the life of others. It's by giving platelet, it's also by giving RBC, which is called red blood cell, it's by giving WBC, white blood cell, and also by the mental support you are giving to the people that speaks in volume so far this blood donation camp is concerned. After the commencement of journey in the government, by our party, by our government, we had to face the COVID pandemic for almost 2 years in between. So the contribution and the participation in the blood donation camp was very less. But after that, again, we have tried our best on behalf of the government. Our Mayor Sahab also, he tries to remain present in each and every blood donation camp. And all over, we are inspired by our Honorable Chief Minister also at large. Whenever he gets the opportunity, to remain present in any blood donation camp. He does not miss it. So we are inspired by our Chief Minister, we are inspired by our leadership, and in the coming days also we will be continue in doing the same in order to save mankind, human lives, and to serve the mankind. So the South Indian Bank, they have got a great role to play in the state economy, in India's economy also. They have participated in a very significant manner in the recent past, since its inception in fact. And in Tripura also, now we find to all the nooks and corners almost, they have got their branches to boost or to contribute in the state economy. So we all must remember that earning profit is the motto of business, and you are a business house. But at the same time, we should not forget, we all should not forget our contribution to the society for humankind. So in the eve of Durga Puja 2023, I take this opportunity once again to congratulate you all for organizing this blood donation camp and having me invited here as a guest. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Paithago Ashani Panda Faiman Jagnai Rokno Kakahamia for Kamantri Sushant Chodri. Rajakor Aguli Nishimi Pronabni Koktum, Chini Khorang.